of course. But still, it's breathtaking just to make it all the way here after how many miles of walking. We did it for 4 miles of walking, huh? But this is what it is. This is right here. Look, check this out. That's where the water's supposed to get down from. All the water is supposed to go down from here, and then it will flow all the way there as well. We probably can still walk this trail to kind of look at the other side of where the water is going. But this is it. This is where we're at. And then I take a video there too, babe. Just all right. So that's where the water is going down from. There's like small water still coming down all this way here. But imagine if, you know, rainy season. There's gonna be a lot of water coming down from here.
Yoo-hoo!
We made it, guys.
Say hi, Linka.
Say hi, baby.
Say hi.
We made it up here.
Psst.
Yay!
Yay, 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 yay!
Waterfalls!
Yay!
Oh, you know what? There's a stairs there too, babe. There's a walk. You can walk and there's a stairs going down too. Like right there. It's close by.
Can I go?
Yeah. Just stay here, baby. Linka. Do not go with mommy. Hey, you're gonna fall. Come here, baby.
Just wait for me there.
Come here. Stay with daddy here. Let's go look at the waterfalls over here. Come here. Come here, baby.